Welcome to this quick guide on how to customize and create a default device block. From your X1080 dashboard, navigate to Settings under the Profile drop-down menu. In the Settings page, select Device Block Settings from the Extra Settings drop-down menu. Here, you'll see Sample Device Block as the default. You can add a new one by selecting Add New Custom Device Block. In the dialog box that opens, name your device block and choose a template if you prefer not to use the default one. For this example, I've selected Template 2. Click Add to proceed. On the Device Block and Port Settings page, you'll see a preview option on the right. This allows you to see your changes in real time as you make them. You can adjust various parameters in the block settings, such as block width and background color. Next, we have the external border section, offering customization options for the border thickness, border style, and border color. Additionally, you can choose whether to enable rounded borders with a simple yes or no selection. In the internal partition feature, you can customize horizontal and vertical partitions, adjusting parameters like border thickness, style, and color, as shown visually. Similarly, you can work on port settings, model name settings, and other sections. Once you've customized the device block, click Save to apply your settings. Back in the device block settings page, you can manage options like View, Edit, Rename, and Delete from the Action button. You can also mark a device block as default for universal use across all projects. When you initiate a new drawing, all the settings you've configured will be reflected. As demonstrated, all the device blocks in this new design reflect the settings we've made. That's all for this tutorial. For more information, please visit x1080.com.